To ensure the safety of your employees, it's crucial to assess your specific first aid needs. So let's explore the importance of assessing first aid needs in your workplace. This process helps you to tailor your first aid measures to your organization's requirements. Here are the key steps for assessing your first aid needs. So identify workplace hazards and potential risks. Determine the number and type of employees. Consider the location and size of your workplace. Assess the proximity to medical facilities. Review past incidents and near misses. By conducting a thorough assessment, you can identify the right first aid resources, equipment, and training needed. It ensures that your team is prepared to respond effectively in case of emergencies. Assessing first aid needs is not just about compliance, it's about saving lives. Because in your workplace, safety is a tailored solution.